This video will show you how to print on paper a route from SkyBridge. So the first thing you want to do is go under Route Manager, and you want to add components to your route. Okay, so just like you would if you were sending them to a handheld device, here's Route Manager. I add the components to the route. There's some components in the route, 291 components in the route here. You don't have to click paper until you come back. But once you get them into the route, then you go to Reports, and under Scheduling, there is a route listing right here. Click on that and run the report, and it's going to come out like this. And then you can just write the readings over here and the results. If there's a leaker, put that information in there too. Once you come back, then you can go back to Route Manager, and then you want to enter in your results manually. So you'll come over here and you click here, make sure it's paper route here clicked. Once you get the result, and then you hit save route, and the makeup will change. Now you see more things conducive of monitoring. So you have like fields for sensory, maximum allowed, stuff like that. So you'll go ahead and select all, and then you'll go ahead and do the right click and monitor selected. Okay. And then you'll put in the date, okay, the inspector, the instrument that was used, and the readings. Background, I got a 0, and for the most part all my readings were like a 4. Okay. And then I go ahead and apply that, and then I did have a leaker though, so I'll go ahead and click on view component in this one here, and oh, sorry about that, clicked on the wrong one. I'll go ahead and right click, unselect, and I'll just click the one here. Okay, one item. And I'll just click one item here. And this one's leaking. Ooh, let's keep selecting all of them here. Hold on. Okay. Let's see. And I'll right click on that one, monitor selected. And since all the information is already on it, I'll put the max reading at the leak rate. Okay, it was leaking, and I'll hit apply here, and now that reading will be 10,000, as you can see here. Okay. All right, so that's showing 10,000 here. Okay. Once you do that, once you get everything, you can select all. I don't think you need to select all, but then you right click and then send monitor to quarantine, method 21 and visual, or if you're just doing visuals, just send that. So I'll just method 21. Okay, so that's going to send those components to quarantine, but remember, you're going to Route Manager, add the components to the route, then you're going to go to Reports, and then you'll print out your report, and then come back. Once you've done all your monitoring, come back and manually add those using paper route. Okay, hopefully this helps.